Tinnitus, a constant ringing or buzzing in the ears, can be an incredibly distressing condition. However, there are various effective methods to find relief and manage the symptoms. One such technique is called tinnitus masking, which involves using sound to mask or distract from the persistent ringing. Tinnitus masking works on the principle of sound therapy. By introducing external sounds, the focus is shifted away from the internal ringing. This technique helps provide temporary relief and can make tinnitus less noticeable or bothersome to individuals suffering from this condition. One of the most common tinnitus masking techniques is using white noise. White noise refers to a combination of different frequencies played simultaneously, creating a soothing background sound. This constant background noise helps to drown out the ringing in the ears, providing relief and promoting relaxation. Another effective tinnitus masking technique involves playing nature sounds. These include sounds of rain, ocean waves, or gentle wind blowing through trees. Nature sounds create a serene environment that reduces the perception of tinnitus, allowing individuals to find relief and peace of mind. To facilitate tinnitus masking, there are dedicated white noise machines and smartphone apps available. These devices offer a wide range of sound options, allowing users to customize the masking experience according to their preferences. Convenient and portable, white noise machines and apps provide on-the-go relief for tinnitus sufferers. Apart from white noise and nature sounds, music therapy is another popular tinnitus masking technique. Calming instrumental music or specific types of soundscapes can help relax the mind and divert attention away from the ringing. Music therapy provides a more enjoyable way to find relief from tinnitus symptoms. Tinnitus masking techniques offer hope and relief to those suffering from this persistent condition. Whether it's through white noise, nature sounds, or music therapy, finding the right technique and sound that works for you can significantly improve the quality of life and overall well-being for individuals with tinnitus.